Imagine visiting a software website. Instead of spending 30 minutes searching documentation, you simply ask one question and instantly get the exact answer with links to the official documentation. That's exactly what AI documentation assistants are designed to do. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that are changing how developers and software companies handle documentation, customer support, and technical knowledge. Let's get started. 1. Kapa.ai. If you're building a SaaS product or managing developer documentation, the first tool you should check out is Kapa.ai. Unlike a general AI chatbot, Kappa is designed specifically for technical documentation. It connects to your documentation, GitHub repositories, Slack, Discord, Zendesk, Notion, Confluence, YouTube, and many other knowledge sources. Instead of guessing answers, it searches your own documentation and provides answers with inline citations. Let's see how it works. Here I'm inside the AI assistant. I'll ask a Django-related question. Within seconds, Kappa searches the connected documentation, finds the correct information, and even tells me exactly where that answer came from. That's one of my favorite features because users can verify every response instead of simply trusting AI. Now, let's switch over to the admin dashboard. This is where companies manage everything. On the dashboard, you can monitor questions, user activity, reactions, and assistant performance. The conversations page stores every conversation so teams can review what users are asking. The users page shows who is using the assistant and their activity. Coverage gaps automatically identifies topics where users need answers, but the documentation is missing information. And top questions highlights the most common questions users ask, making it easy to improve documentation. Source analytics shows which documentation pages are referenced the most. In sources, companies connect GitHub repositories, websites, documentation, and custom knowledge. One of the biggest advantages is that Kappa.ai automatically keeps those sources synchronized, so when documentation changes, the AI stays up to date. Finally, Kappa.ai supports integrations like website widgets, Slack, Discord, Zendesk, APIs, and custom front ends, making it easy to deploy wherever your users already work. Overall, if your company has a large technical knowledge base, Kapa.ai provides much more than just an AI chatbot. It also gives your team valuable insights into how users interact with your documentation. 2. Mintlify. Coming in at number 2 is Mintlify. If you've ever visited a modern software documentation website, there's a good chance you've already seen Mintlify in action. Mintlify is an AI-powered documentation platform designed to make technical documentation easier to create, manage, and search. Instead of forcing users to browse dozens of pages, it lets them ask questions in natural language and quickly find the information they need. One feature I really like is its clean and modern documentation interface. It makes APIs, SDKs, and developer guides much easier to read, while the built-in AI search helps developers navigate large documentation sites much faster. If you're building a startup or launching a developer product, Mintlify is definitely worth checking out. 3. GitBook AI. At number 3, we have GitBook AI. GitBook has been one of the most popular documentation platforms for years, and now it also includes AI features to improve the user experience. Instead of manually searching through documentation, users can simply ask a question in plain English. GitBook AI searches your documentation, summarizes relevant information, and points users toward the most useful pages. It's especially useful for internal company knowledge bases, onboarding guides, product documentation, and engineering teams that need quick access to technical information. If your team already uses GitBook, enabling its AI capabilities is an easy way to make your documentation much more searchable and user-friendly. 4. DocsGPT. Coming in at number 4 is DocsGPT. Unlike some commercial platforms, DocsGPT is an open-source AI documentation assistant. That means developers have much more flexibility to customize and self-host the entire solution. You can connect your own documentation, knowledge base, or internal resources, and create an AI assistant that answers questions based on your content. Because it's open source, it's a great option for companies that want more control over their infrastructure, privacy, and customization. It does require a bit more technical setup compared to fully managed services, but for many development teams, that flexibility is a major advantage. 5. Docusaurus AI Integrations. Finally, at number 5, we have Docusaurus AI Integrations. Docusaurus itself isn't an AI platform. It's a popular open source documentation framework created by Meta for building fast, modern documentation websites. What makes it interesting is that you can integrate AI search tools and chatbot solutions directly into your documentation, giving users a much more interactive way to find answers. Because it's open source, developers have complete control over the design, structure, and AI integrations they choose. It's an excellent option for engineering teams that want maximum flexibility and prefer hosting and customizing everything themselves. Kappa can be implemented as the AI search tool on Docusaurus sites to get the most accurate AI answers for technical questions. Those are 5 AI documentation tools that are helping software companies improve developer experience and customer support. If you're looking for a complete platform with documentation search, citations, analytics, integrations, and knowledge management, Kapa.ai is definitely worth exploring. If you're already using one of these tools, let me know your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.